Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, do ants eat onions? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants are not attracted to onions due to sulfur or allicin compounds that give a strong odor and repel ants. These compounds interfere with their foraging trials and irritate their receptors, so they avoid eating them. You can use small slices of raw onions to deter ants from the house, but some of their species can reach onion plants for honeydew. A few species of ants consider these vegetables a food source, while most avoid eating them due to their odor, taste, and texture. Their tiny teeth find it difficult to make their way through outer peels. Ants have strong odor receptors that are sensitive to almost every type of odor molecule in nature, with a minor difference in chemical nature. Moreover, they can efficiently detect and classify mild to strong odors as pleasant or unpleasant. They consider mild or sweet aromas pleasant and relate them to edible food sources. In contrast, they perceive strong odors as unpleasant and prefer to stay away because strong fragrances can irritate their receptors. Onion belongs to the allium family, which contains allicin compounds with strong odors. In addition, it also contains sulfur compounds in varying amounts, as white ones have less quantity. Red onions have a larger content of sulfur compounds, as 50 to 50 mg of these compounds are present in 100 gram. These compounds are volatile in nature and are released into the air after the removal of peels. These volatile compounds irritate ants' receptors and interfere with their activities and masking the scent of their chemical secretions. It interrupts foraging activities, so these ants avoid it. We know about the dietary habits of ants, that they can eat almost everything that is easily accessible to them. However, they still choose food by smell, taste, and texture. They do not find onions an attractive food source due to their bad odor. It is not a primary food source, as they avoid eating it until they have plenty of sugary foods. However, they can consider it a secondary food source and move to the bulb of onions in the soil to get nutrition. You can see a few of their trials moving towards the plant in the soil. They do not reach a healthy or young plant because they produce a strong scent at the peak of their developmental cycle. Accordingly, they only attack old bulbs when rotting or going through a decaying process because their level of attraction increases when their odor gets mild. The onion plant structure differs from other plants because the bulb is embedded in the soil and leaves begin to appear above the ground. Ants can reach the part of the plant above the ground and dig into the soil to reach the bulb when they have no other potential food sources. Accordingly, you have to use repelling solutions to keep them away from the plant because they can adapt to the unpleasant scent of onions over time. Moreover, you can spray vinegar by mixing it in water to make it less damaging to the leaf's integrity, as its acidic nature can harm its survival. It can kill ants after direct contact with their bodies or repel them efficiently due to its bad odor. It is better to test this method on a small surface area to see if worms appear. Spray the solution directly on the trials, which can help drown insects, and apply it on the plant when it is safe to use. Neem oil spray and other repelling solutions can help get rid of these ants by preventing infestations. Thanks for watching the video.